Okay, guys. Today, yeah, see, it's like about to fall apart. Yeah, you guys had to be careful with that. Oh. If it does that, guys, I had to throw in the trash or something, cause it's not bad. It's just, ugh. Alright, I'm gonna cut at the birds. Is this a yellow finches? See, sometimes I can't tell. I think it is. So I'm gonna cut the finches yellow. Because usually you don't see them around often. Maybe they came out like spring, no, winter sometimes, fall, winter, or summer. Hi, pumpkin doodles. Yeah, I'm gonna put birds because I had to watch what I said. Because the last year was, this year, I put bluebirds in like a, it don't hurt my feelings, so I'm just gonna cut the birds. Usually, Cardinals will come out in the winter, and the Blue Jays, they usually come out at night. They come out in the winter time when it's cold. And robins, they come out in the spring. Okay, yeah, so finches will come out in the winter. Sorry guys, I don't know about some birds. I know eagles and hawks, that's it. Ooh, let's make it pretty. Hi, pumpkin. You come hang out with me. Turquoise green. Look at me, baby. Hey, move your butt. Move your butt. Pumpkin. I'm sorry guys, yes, pumpkin does still overheated. We'll have to get her fixed very soon because ooh, I like it how it turns out. I like it with the yellow and turquoise green together, I mean. And what I do, the end of December, guys, I'll have to do complete pages on the end of December, so that's why I didn't do it in November, because I had to wait. And then when I do, I had to pick each comic book around cutter, and then I had to pick which one I want to do in January already. Next year. Damn. I hope you guys will wish me luck next year for get a job. That's what I'm getting next year. Hopefully. And I had to do the same thing like I did my old job. I had to pick which day of videos I had to do. It depends on my schedule will be. See, now if I work at Hobby Lobby, I don't have to work on Sundays, so I could do videos on Sundays. I'm just want to move on and just look at somewhere else. I want something different. I am not looking no more restaurants because, guys, I'll get very frustrated if I look there. I like how it turns. Where his feet at? Looks like it between his. What is it between the tree? Yeah, it looks like it's between the tree. So, oh no, what am I getting up to? Probably go to the liquor store today. Who knows? So I can drink tonight. Hey. I like how it turns out so far. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what I'm doing today, to be honest. Baby, I know. Oh, that's the type of bird. Like, what in the hell he got on his... Oh, beats me. Okay, no, baby. How made you feel, baby? I know. Yeah, I know. Alright guys, I will see you in my daily live vlog. Sorry, you're gonna hear my dogs. Sorry. So, anyways, I will see you then.